For Asaboro to even feel exposed, now say, now two Infinity Saga 9 day, and we they see evidence, meaning she no lie. Because when Solo family come out online, when they finally catch Solo, if you notice, that Solo Infinity Saga, he present, silent on the cyberspace. Funa, they follow up. I love you too, my sister. I love you too, my sister Asaboro. If una they follow up, when that Solo Infinity Saga issue come aside, when your family, your wife come aside, that Solo no con dey active again for those cyberspace. He no con dey active again for those cyberspace. Why? Because the picture don't come out. Everything about her don't come out. You know, say if you insult person, now the next thing they'll go carry family come out. Now this daughter, Infinity Saga, now con they do the job. To con they claim, say, now that old Solo, now see they run the thing. Well, that one now don't cast, that one family don't come out. That one say don't shift body, go back. He said, so why the Infinity Saga no fit come out to defend his own babe? My dear, Asaboro has been scammed. Please, no, don't write that yet. Now Monica fans, they write all these things. If you see comment like this of Asaboro has been scammed, now Monica fans, they write them. All platforms should take notes. Anywhere you see Asaboro have been scammed, now Monica fans, they write, and do you know she was scammed? Do you know if that Infinity Saga spent money on her? Do you know how much Asaboro shop the Infinity Saga so? You know whether the man don't carry Asaboro go meet the family? According to the Infinity where Asaboro they talk, Asaboro know his sisters. So if the man want really scam Asaboro, why you go take Asaboro to his family? Una no fit on my brain. Now maybe mini FBI for this media. I don't see everything. The Infinity where Asaboro they talk is legit and it's real. It's there for UK. And let me tell you the connection between Monica, the Dido Bete, aka Big Kukumba, and Infinity Saga where they UK and Solo where they Roma. Let me tell you guys what is going on with these people. God forbid, that not be your wife. Okay, so just as they reject her, so reject her where. Don't say Asaboro. When I'm not talking again, say Asaboro was scam. Never. Me as I did so. Before me open my leg for man, even if that man even tell me, once I see a picture, now me go in life, everything about her, the village we go, wait for come. Now me go now. May not be like say I don't ask her, I go just say ask her somebody say, okay, your family didn't finish. I go do my find this myself. You know, if it say present open left for person, no, that one, Monica fans bring that thing to convince people. Now, let me tell you what they go on with Asaboro. Now, a lot of people, they Asaboro neck, they beg Asaboro. Yes, if Asaboro should push on with this saga, she not get anything to lose, but she will be exposing a lot of people, including the one where she not get with. Yes, if Asaboro should push on with this saga, she is going to be exposing a lot of people. Because I now find out that Monica have two group of different GPC. Yes. Monica get two different type of GPC group. One na outsiders. All those ones, they be public toilet. They be public toilet. Even Christmas go they waka go shit on top of them. They be public toilet. Why Monica get another one again where they call insider toilet? The one where they say if you want shit put, you go inside house, close door, you will go shit put. Monica get her. Now what is going on? That Infinity Saga so where they UK. Monica get group of insiders where the GPC. Where it be say to enter that GPC, to enter that GPC, they get price for it. It'll be like if you want joining anything, there's a price for everything. To enter that Monica inner campus GPC, their price you pay, they take oath there. And the odds where you won't take there, now to drop your kwekus. Your kwekus, you they shook your hand inside your kwekus. You they shook cucumber for your kwekus. Or if man they knock you, you go video ram. You have to submit. You have to submit that video to the inner campus. That's the odds where they take there before you be a member. And that group have been existing. Oh. That group have been existing, and a lot of politicians are inside. Many things they go on inside. Now they knock themselves inside. Now they do their things inside. They just organize that group as a social media power something. Okay? They organize that group as a social media power house. If any of them they pass through anything, through Monica or Bolo, aka Dido Bete, aka the biggest cucumber, this one will not come outside and claim say she want talk. Now the truth she won't talk, but she go come they fight for that inner concourse where we no go come know. That is why Oze de Monica who those cyberspace na or Luga minima yanike. The pain which they pass through today, all of them they come out from inside that concourse. Una they get me so? All of them they come from inside that concourse. Yes, are you hearing me? Now this is what happened. Infinity Saga was a member of that inner concourse. Okay, Infinity Saga was a member of that inner caucus. Not be the other solo, the main Infinity Saga, is the member of that inner caucus. And he was sent to go and blackmail Asaboro. Are you people hearing me? He was sent to go and blackmail Asaboro. Yes, that is what happened. Monica Sena, not be only Monica, the bodies we did that inner caucus. They sent Infinity Saga to go and do Asaboro come and take. When Infinity Saga come reach there, he can't fall in love with Asaboro. Me una dey listen. When Infinity Saga reach there, he can't fall in love with Asaboro. Okay, Infinity Saga come begin the plan marriage. Monica with her inner caucus where they send a message say, go and bring this girl nakedness. I believe say the reason why they send her go there, I wish he succeed to get Asaboro nakedness. Asaboro would have become a member of that Monica inner caucus. Yes, the reason Monica sent that Infinity Saga to Asaboro, it was not to come and saga Asaboro, or it was to blackmail her to, because she know Asaboro is stubborn, to drag her to that inner caucus, so that as I say Asaboro the UK, she will become a member of that inner caucus. Because once your Kwekus don't reach there, you go join. Anything they say make you go do, you go do. If not, they will bring your Kwekus come aside. Now they get me. This is how Monica they gather people for there. If they carry your nakedness, go give Monica. Monica now will not do you, go better. It is either you come and be a member of this inner caucus and be supporting me. I go use all of my money, they buy house, they buy car, they pay my basic, or I go expose your bola outside. All those ones now no go get choice. They will go begin to inside the group of inner caucus of Monica. Exactly what happened for America, where Didi they do. You go invite people for party, record the way that they need they do something. You go they use and blackmail them. Monica was a big blackmailer. Where he said Infinity Saga, go meet Asaboro. He said the man feel get her. The problem is the man fell in love with her. I said, yes, now wait till they cause problem with this, so me una listen. The man reach there finish. Yes, now the man reach there finish. Now the man can fall in love with Asaboro. Now Asaboro, the man with Asaboro now, the man can open up to Asaboro say, I be love you, but this love, the only way you go take work, you need to come and join our inner caucus. You need to come and join our inner caucus. Now Asaboro can ask Infinity say, which one be inner caucus again? Now the man no say if man don't fall in love, even though he buy person before, he go just confess once and for all. He will say any freedom as well as they talk. If man want confess, he go say any freedom. Now he can't tell Asaboro everything. Monica take put her for Zeba or Zeba group where they day. All their nakedness they there. All men where they said inner caucus and women. They are all of them and people where they are link. Monica are using it to blackmail them. Oh, I think every year. That is why they talk say, now you make her. Monica, your shame and disgracing. Your shame and disgrace. This one where just they draw leg, they console. If people not face you for street, they stone you. I go no say, crazy people self not they that UK. I will not say crazy people not they that UK. Nah. Infinity Saga is already in love. He don't tell Asaboro everything. She give Asaboro evidence. Show him everything she need to know. Now Asaboro stop say, now only this one for inside. I can never bow down to Monica. Never in history. Never in my life. Not on this earth. Because I want marry. I will never bow down to Monica. When Monica come find out, say Asaboro no gree bow down, Monica now start to withdraw their own person, which is Infinity Saga. Monica now go carry Infinity Saga, he can go give Classic Gloria. Because he wanted to divert the love where Infinity Saga get to Asaboro to Classic Gloria, where go easily remote. Because why? Classic Gloria make us not already there with Monica. Yes, because the way that one come out for movie industry, come Facebook, what they do, iyeki, nah, no, so okay, they don't can go give Monica. Because if you look at Gloria Senior Monica, Gloria not the small people, they forget if they do video, they use Twitter. Gloria first daughter, be first speaking, now Suma Senior. Gloria Senior Monica. But she come on like a yaki, and I mean, say, Akbekus already there with Monica. Now, based on Monica, Gloria, na inner caucus, based on that one, two don't dead there. Now you come carry that one, give Infinity Saga, make come be say, inner caucus, marry inner caucus. Infinity Saga come say, no, na Asaboro in love. Now Asaboro already they pump for all this whole matter. Now say, una must release Infinity Saga for me, whether una like come or not. Because I can't surprise here. If Asaboro come online, you go so una must leave her, una must leave her. I can't imagine. Who come home and Asaboro want marry? Who Asaboro Infinity Saga? Now me come find that say, Monica Hotis waited they torment Infinity Saga. Because Infinity Saga is a member of Monica inner caucus. All those bully, all those people, they render, they give innocent people, not with their clear eye. Now, something where they go say, you say, go and do it. According to information, when I hear now, how can a daughter, Infinity Saga say you be real daughter, how can a daughter stoop so low to go, they use fake accounts, they bully your own fellow Edo people because of Monica where they leak for Nyash. I mean, don't say Monica, they wear pass. Monica where they borrow pints, go, they feel where to her. How can you, a daughter, go they do work for that 10 person? Illiterate in normal life school, if ABC the big like this as Monica no know. Thanks for joining my lady faith. I cite you all. Ritoto Bezos, thanks for joining my people. Please, guys, let me thumbs up and share this video. This is what is going on. Infinity Saga now loves Asaboro. But he don't want to do too much. And he's trying so hard to control Asaboro to whole break. No be say Monica no know what Infinity Saga do. No be say their inner concourse no say Infinity Saga don't go tell Asaboro everything. As Infinity Saga know something, now so Nelly Black Gold know something. Thanks for joining my lady. I say thanks for joining. Good evening. Now they get me so. That's that lady where they call Lady Nelly Black Gold. That one is also a member of Inner Concourse. Yes, she's a member of Inner Concourse. She know everything. Before that woman, if that woman can use fake account to beat Monica 2 days, and Monica don't come out, they say, I forgive you, I'm sorry. Una no consider this and say Monica, where we know Monica no they ever bow down for Saga. She know they not be say people know they beat her. Even when her neck go on to move, you will still see Monica for there. They use that thing get views. They use have also money to pay mortgage. And Monica for she to come and beg that Nelly Black. And Asaboro also know that Nelly Black and two of them they talk. And you think all these things na cartoon. So you want to tell me now say if you go to this Infinity Saga page, you go see and say Nelly Black. Say my lady queen, you must apologize to me. Oh, I'm sorry, culture, please, I'm sorry. Okay, no verse I call you Monica fans. No verse, no verse. Now devil work. Now the way they do me because why they would they talk say a adult like that person will sleep with you know they want to try convince us. And Monica can never turn my brain. Agwa. Me blind na cause ni mo here for waiting. Who be Monica? Who be at one ade yes wa? Una they get me so. That Nelly Black know everything. If you go to this Infinity Saga page, you go see and say the top fan where they there, top fan people where know that Infinity Saga well. Na Nelly Black, Monica, Akiko where they tally. Plus who again safe? Who again I see for there? There be 4 like that. There be 4 people. Where be that? Where be this Dr. Infinity Saga Inner Concourse? So if Nelly Black is standing by Asaboro on this, meaning they know what they talk. Yes, meaning they know what they talk. How you go say Abiyayo was supporter? You know, Pesico. Frustrated. I just trust Asha. I let the novice. Or whether I got novice. I don't know so that even when they go back to pass, when we take the scene. Why agree more than novice, my lady, okay? Eh? Now, Monica shamelessly come out. They try to twist the whole matter. If you look Monica's face, you go see all the guilty conscience. You go see and say she's crying because even though she won't go do Nash, they never give her the injection. Not for society, don't they work for her body. Monica don't reduce on that 2 days. Obviously, I mean, my people, something is not going well with Monica. This matter where Asaboro they talk, so now truth. Thank you, my lady. Thank you. Now truth, 100%. Now me understand the whole matter. Monica knows say everything Asaboro talk, not truth. But she's trying to do and say Asaboro don't know the Infinity Saga where they talk. Why will Monica say Asaboro don't know the Infinity Saga where should they talk? If Monica don't know, say where Asaboro they talk, not truth. Monica, you did there. If Asaboro tells you get issue with her, he do something with Infinity Saga. Where are you there? Are you tell no say na the real or not be real? Are you tell no say na fake Infinity Saga Asaboro do something with? Are you tell no? You did there. I hear now say the Infinity Saga, the daughter Infinity Saga say he also knock you. He knock you. Who always sugu. Emiere ana mio. Day by day, now people think they for they see you. I want to be. Now I turn you to the one where you dare so. I want to be. People they talk say you don't already talk say you want to come out for media. Why people they drag you and say you want to come out for media? Why they don't ask you why they come out for media? When we to be afia with media na there. Even one me even expect yourself. Even Facebook I do. When we to afia one. Wo mu yeki negwa ki no mo gbo wa de Facebook. Who are you yeki the basket lawa? Iga ki gbo e. Monica ne kwemu. Olotu bieka. Ashawodan. I mean this is the fourth time they are accusing you of Ovieki have a streets. He said, this is my son, wife. What? Day your maths. We must pay your bride price. Thank you. Husband, mama, princess. Omo, thank you, my lady. Eh? Ebe Monica warn me. They know they see Monica say he got tea for supermarket. You can never hear say breaking news of Monica got tea for supermarket. You can never hear say breaking news of Monica na event for Rodo. You can never hear say breaking news of Monica not cook beans today. You can never hear those one. But if you want to hear breaking news about Monica, I must involve. Monica gon wele na le no se ki amaro abi ma so obo venu ye show glass e pet veji sudi venu ya like ya se show glass be benjo awo iwa mu dia ko we ko gboloko ya ni lati àwọn yan we u vie kia ve le gbe agbo ya vie ti tomorrow Monica aye mu we kiere Monica according to information we be the year na ni awe pe ku suwe ga ama biun iya wi Amabion is not enough reason for you to just be a public ashawo. Or say when we are back here for 10 years, a pint to me on your Tito de Monica, a pint in Unye Lolo, Amaya mute pint in Oboe. A pint in Unye Lolo, Amaya mute pint in Oboe. Then if you pon la dianse, ou yes is also Januabia, ou when you know you go there, a pinty, ou my de la dianti today. If care is not taking the pint in ya way, ou why ye joy ya re, what I say Nigeria, Kuweko se when no bejo, only one backbone Nigeria. Awala yo megbere. Imagine the kind of the group and set of women you people are. O ma no ma feel where you are. O back ba waya leru ne bo me ni won we na gbere awana la yo megbere. There to where get to feel where you are. Monica nia, you say onya wo megbe Nigeria because our very wo very wa la janenia. Awu yo de we yin we wu yore. Ibu ve kia Monica ogbegbo ni. Wa we asan amoso so you egbe. Because even you yourself shock. The way your fans say they beat you every day by day. Now you are the inner concourse of get boo na. The inner concourse where you get now they beat you now or for. I mean akpa ye na the nega you. Monica, it would the Nigeria sama mosu ku egbe. Asa boro chen your pa ve oni. Or go worry no le Facebook yana no do go ve oni me so rest in peace. Or tell say your way who wari your other boboti your ba but o matter I for bereba. Me ege Monica evi go oni. Monica, you were also involved in Abia you are. We were involved with Abia you are. We very happy you are. What when you are big while you're double, as a protest, a little by a nenu. If you by a nanny, may have way. Yes, as a protest for matter for in your way, ne, why va way, if I don't care or funny money. But in ever nike. When why are you only I tell you ba? Or what you wouldn't or who you were born in here? Well, my lads, young one then, why don't we ah? There be no sooner. Manadi, I don't die, I'll tell you about. Ona te wi ya we so e wa gi enwe se wa na unu me wa gi we wa we iye join o wa wo kun la ne gbogbe wa we no ni laji anodo amori city laji anodo azuo gbe rice wa ni we di meeting wa yo ni cover wa ni we di meeting wa yo ni cover wa na do azu ti tomorrow ni amami o te mi no gba be wa we rice wa ri obo ajo te Yoruba wa gi o de me o da bo me o te Yoruba Monica wa ba bi wa ga communicate Abia you want you go nwe. We gi lazi an wadwa e wa ma mo di ma gumo na wa bera wa biju abagbon no sungu be de no wa Monica no gbe o. We na lazi an ani o ya ki e ala ri Monica usena lena. Monica usena lena. We kere me ya gwan ye ngwe because we o e ke we bi o iko wese. E ke no bi o iko wese ko su ki o mefo ni. U ki o mai ne. Be ngbe je na we na mi me bo de wa gwa mu dia we ne dede. Ye wa fi asan bo iya gria we bo a. Ye wa fi ovia bo no wo ya igbolu egbo when de no aseti we wa seti o ma je gbese ye kara to pa mu de mu gbeta road o de mu gbeta road because we respect egbo e first we to know that not all unero line e so what they are very useless e matter no roto na you Monica you know it's true we wa ya ti ebo o ma emeti nuke we la video gwa saborogun eni ya na saboro accuse we ma even boye ropa Umaye you no we have vebo ye ni wan. Wo wa do page mu, we ga ni boy ni no ma we ni gbe ni wa mo page. E tu we la de ati ebo we. Ma kwa enfa wo. Abi nu gba we ti ebo ma ti mi ma we. Wo àwọn ebo gbegbo wo ma kwa enfa. Fo se bele do ti ebo ye na saboro tana, we iga gede on pa enfa. Wo ya mu ebo, e na ke mu ebo. We ma anyu e ma bo. Obo no re social media. We ma anyu e dai. Last una be ya mu ebo. Una ya mu ebo na we tu ya ti ebo no re gbu ohun wagun. De bonu ya tie. De bonu ya tie. Obola e cemetery ona amwe bogbo e obola different place ona amwe bogbo e Monica ona amwe bogbo e we mighty you know where tie bo ni amwe bi na saborota oga mata we mighty Exodus 40:40 we mighty tie bi ropa we mighty anything yo nu go wa bagun o we ba ni awe tie ya tie bo o we bo ni ya tie I post e social media e fancy we ni o wa ne gbogbo ni zuwa ni nere agbe iyan le so antie bo ni a de season asaboro oga egere yeki we na enemi you know on our vembori Monica we vembona we gbe Monica vembo e bo nyoka gele gbo omo gbo ohun gbo ogi owa enu we never mind no sun u wa de weather de wa love this ne 10,000 gbo wa e fa se Monica so nero ilayin anyone Monica give 10,000 ni die nane una adi Facebook una do a tem na do a toni case on side ogun ga gbo 10,000 ni igu kun ga ya ze ne bi o u wa ga lori ari when we gbase le Facebook na e mata go wata e costa si no wo anu ro oni o ere fake account we na do ke o yin here ladian o we here ladian de go ma pa here just dey play I say waiting just dey play as far as say Infinity Saga we be solo fi come aside na only time we go take all of una go come aside Now, only time he go take, all of una go come outside. Yes. If una husband no drag una come out, una wife go drag una come out, or una neighbor go drag, una go drag una come outside. Say because say they support a comment, you go stay fake accounts, they bully innocent people. How many times una don't see me they bully people? Say because I get why they support, I go they draw people head, they do this one, no. They 10,000 one never boil like I they see Asaboro picture, una they draw and they write different things. Asaboro no, una they craze. Or go back there, you are don't go belua. If not because of maybe the way say Asaboro no via evidence. So the way I'm saying the whole issue, a lot of people they are naked because a lot of people involved. People where we don't even imagine say they involved, they are inside this matter, this inner concourse. Not be all of them enter willingly. Some were forced because they are not was linked somewhere else. Ona do say Monica, but ona ye na control young group wa. E yo yin le way. Una they get me so. If to say Asaboro bring all those all some of una come outside, not be the one with the talk, so not people for the talk. Una for don't pack it, una for don't pack where one side first. I bet na one ajo mi TV oko gege wa do asanjo sare. Constant no wa. That one na your name dey my blacklist. Your name is dey my blacklist. Ben meje, owa omeni, okon guy 45 years later. Even if I don't old, yeah me I go treat your fuck up. You yourself go no say yes. Now person you jam. By the gbina no. This social media one just they do so. They label people waiting they not be. Then you am you wear face to face now you be this. Imagine man osaju we be say till you go back. Nini, or he go follow you. Who you ready agbon? You go they follow you they go. You go no say I no be quit show. Now that day you do where they hide all those Monica fake accounts. Becky blogger where they have been a Becky name. I don't already get that one picture. I don't get that one picture for a very much. I want just let's get. If you see that one, see our husband, life go kill you. Now they get me so. Now say now they support. How you say they support because of 10,000 naira? I do not go. They say their account they be better people. Answer their accounts. Inya ye hunde. Inya ye mita. Inya ye zuo. When Monica na ye you say today now those people now on the beat and I go and see Beatrice Ogbaika. That one they cruise Nigeria they go. Go my way here, you follow Monica do it again. Or they are here. He said, my lady, let's talk through here. Why will a woman they fight make them release her boyfriend? A man where another woman fit puts for cage. Now man be like, no. Yes, not be say. The reason is that let me tell you why it be like that. Asaboro, Infinity Saga was already with Monica before he met Asaboro. Okay? Now Asaboro be the karma where God sent go give Monica. Yes. Now Asaboro be the karma where God sent go give a Monica no. Infinity Saga was already with Monica. They be group before. Inside their group, Monica group, now they send Infinity Saga to go and blackmail Asaboro. Infinity Saga getting there, he fell in love. Okay? Before he can confess everything, yeah, he sleep, but Monica get the job. He know if you can know. You understand? Now the thing is, Asaboro don't want Infinity Saga to be a part of Monica hidden agenda anymore. Are you getting me? And Infinity Saga also want Asaboro to come and be a member of Monica hidden agenda. Now, wait till just the cause of this quarrel, now you'll be this. If Asaboro should come out now and say, for Monica, I'm sorry, this and this, you go see Monica. Monica will even take Asaboro in. He will even value Asaboro past a lot of these bloggers where they've joined her, the saga Asaboro. She will even let una know, say, somebody say, Iobosa talk show backup page. He say, I beg my sister, if you get Becky blog picture, I need them. She don't to bully my daughter and my mother. If you see Becky blog, she be like rat. She be like rat. Oh, you go fair. Now when she knew born that time, now take Kasha. If you need that, share for now. I'm not going here. Me, I know they go me down because I look down and say, time when you tell they find better fish. Come go they follow person say na 10,000 they go they give their mama every month 10,000 they go they give them for Nigeria every year. Local dirty stupid set of people. They see somebody use me to goddaughter. The person spend 1,000 something for me. They cry. So nothing say I cheap. So nothing say I be cheaper chico. I be cheaper chico 10,000 naira a year. Who was local dirty things? You don't know I'm expensive. But if not, you know that they're expensive. We're crazy. So my people, now God use Asaboro to defeat Monica. Yes. Monica be one cage Asaboro for a cage. But waiting, God pass Monica. You get one Asaboro video when I watch. Let me see if let me play it for you guys. Might go play Asumo. Okay? May I play Asumo? If you see Monica body language, the way she's doing, you will know that yes, Asaboro ogele gbema wari. Asaboro pincha for where they say, hey, Monica will cry till she cry. Person will tell us say no, they do social media again. Can't you see how many times she don't online video? Monica give me away. Monica not dey fit sleep again. Every time she go come and they explain. Monica, you go explain, you go try no evidence. Who send you message? No go wa ba unta no ba be. Ashawa gba shawe bi. We don't know say you be ashawo. Na people wey just dey need dey know you. Mo listen to this video well.
Hello.
Mo listen well.
Thank you for joining.
Point today this video.
I don't reach work. So before I
Please share the video, guys.
I
Mo na love
one
you.
quick in order. For those of you calling me, I couldn't pick. I just take off my call. It's too much. Waya wawese. For the real callers, the fake ones and everything. Just to hear no more. Waya wawese. I took off my internet so that I can have some sleep. I'm working tonight. I do night, right? Yes. I want to say thank you to Mama Nelly. Thank you to Mrs. Anua Jose and so many more. I saw video that Brandy. Yes, and this one I was told that I get party. But all this, thank you. One thing I want to quickly say is that and to other bloggers, you guys have rights and opinion to your own whatever. Social media. Yes, it's there. We have to say the way it is. Say your mind, not me say whatever. But what I know is that actually I know the color of vets, Monica Mama Jala, no your passport here, Morocco. Infinity many, you win, that's your boy, you will give it. You see all those they don't know. Some of them don't even call you, and if they do, you don't pick. You get me? And so you know, when we have to play Nayano, it's all right. Why we video Moonlight? We're moving for the very last time, madam.
That Moonlight session, don't know that one.
Do whatever you want to do.
Now, my people, Mona listen. When investor do marriage, according to Asaboro said Infinity Saga was in investor marriage. Yes. When Asaboro talk that word, my mind they pick somebody, but I don't feel touch that person. Say now this person be Infinity Saga, but my mind they touch that person because Asaboro say when investor do marriage, Infinity Saga was there. A father of one child based in UK is a daughter. Easy way to find Infinity Saga is investor need to know how many people come in marriage from UK, because he also said a lot of people come in marriage from UK. Which one be doctor inside? Is there any male doctor among them where get one picking? It's very easy to detect. But the reason why I would say because of Asaboro, yeah, I would not want to go deep into that Infinity Saga. If I want to bring that Infinity Saga comment, I'll bring a comment. Even with only that information alone, it reached me to bring a comment. I have a lot of people in UK. Yes, I have a lot of people in UK. If I marriage video, they will me. If I want to trace that Infinity Saga, I can trace it with immediate effect. But because of Asaboro, because I see they look, maybe they will still marry or they see they or they know they. Because if that Infinity Saga no marry Asaboro, for one man to just come beg, Father General not being Infinity Saga. Okay, my person, Monica Wala, you have to know this. Father General will be solo, he dey Netherlands. Now two Infinity Saga. Father General will be solo, he dey Netherlands. Not being Infinity Saga. Dr. Infinity Saga is a different person. He's a doctor by professional based in UK. That is what you people need to know. So that it go there easy for us to trace this person. The reason why me just say they can because Asaboro is involved. If not, Asaboro bring the picture, not bring the picture. He go every short will bring the picture comment. Now when they bring picture comment for this media. And this Infinity Saga don't do a lot of He don't do a lot of things. So I will not want to double shadow or double cross Asaboro. I will not want to offend her because now that's now so me be. This will do for friendship. Now, so you respect me, I respect you. Respect is an hypocrite. But say that Infinity daughter, say you leave Asaboro, the day when you say Asaboro swear for you, say maybe una two don't quarrel, be quarrel like una no day again. Who your work and media? Where is your work and media? I will. If I not bring you come out, you know. If me queen not bring you out, take you away you for those cyberspace. You know say not be me. Now only I'll go into my laptop. I'll just put invest on marriage. Set 2 phones. Set 2 phones, use one day on call for that UK. Share my screen. I go see you bring come outside. Not be joke. But I will not want to go far because of Asaboro. Because she's trying to still protect you. So my amazing people, make una know this and know peace. Now 2 Infinity Saga. No, it's not Timu. One day Netherlands, one day UK. So Asaboro know what she's talking about. And Monica know these 2 people. Monica, they follow her. If you go this Dr. Infinity Saga, you will see Monica there as a top fan with this lady. So what did they call her? Nelly Black. Una they get me. So for Monica to be trying to beat around the bush to cover and say, Asaboro no person which they talk, Asaboro no which they talk. It just the Monica they play. Convince people if you convince not the person like me. Because your brain they learn for where my whole day. Say thank you, my friend. God bless you. No problem, my lady. Anything for friendship now. So una they get me. He said, Father General de Ireland, why solo de Netherlands? What is the difference between Ireland and Netherlands? Mona not confuse me. In the UK, the one where we define now the Infinity where they UK, where Monica know. Monica they follow the page. Now, this page was created in UK. Okay? We are not talking about Solo. Solo already all over the places. Even Solo wife, we know they look for Solo now. Me, I get Solo picture. It be like so many of them not get Solo details. Solo beer white for one place. Solo they carry full BS, full face of BS. Now Solo they carry. We know Solo, not the Solo. The person where would they talk now? Infinity Saga is a doctor. Doctor not they carry BS. You never go hospital and see doctor carry BS. Who leave you? I want to operate person. And according to reliable source, Monica also they plan to go do Nyash credit for the doctor hand. As we speak. If una dey follow up with Asaboro video, Asaboro tell her say, make sure say, as she want go do Nyash so, make she no enter a guy clinic go do Nyash so. I beg give us Dr. Infinity Saga page, make we check them. You so my person, you know the you know the Infinity Saga. As we your tell you say, Infinity Saga, go them, go just go and search your Facebook. Infinity Saga. We all know Solo. We know Solo, let me they talk. But you see this daughter where they UK so. Now only you understand? This daughter so now be the latest where we they look for. But we will just go break because of Asaboro and Infinity Saga. Okay, somebody's calling. Hello, my lady. Okay. Now I put time for speaker. Okay, we hear you.
Yeah, I understand what you try to explain. Say na two Infinity Saga day.
Yes.
You remember one time where from Vito Fe carry one person come at that time, that Father General where they to play, where the guy come say he want go sue Frank say
Bring the picture.
He bring out the picture. Now that one be Father General with the Susie all of the shots. Father General,
yes.
That yellow one yellow talk and that.
Yes.
So Solo that one day for Ireland. Sorry, he there for Netherlands.
Now one person. That one where Frank break come out so. Now one.
No, that one. No, the very first one Father General. Now Ireland. That one day for Dublin.
Okay. The one where you they talk so. The one where they follow the Akobe snap picture. Now that one you they talk so.
Now be Father General. That one day for Dublin. He there for Ireland for Dublin.
Ah.
Then Solo now whether Solo na Infinity Saga or whatever thing be, I don't understand that one.
Yes.
That one day for Netherlands. So Asaboro daughter, so Asaboro say na UK that one. This daughter day.
Yes. The father of one child.
Yeah. Yeah. I just may not miss the Father General and the. And
Even that Father General, we know they look for even that one. That's where we they look for now. Infinity Saga. Even that.
Yeah, I see you. They say Father General. They for Netherlands, which is Holland. No, now Dublin that one. They which is Ireland.
Okay.
Father General they Ireland. Solo they Netherlands. Then this Asaboro Infinity Saga.
So they UK.
He said that they which is the daughter.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. The Monica Destroyer. Yeah. But I see they repeat one thing over here. I know say Asaboro go use mistake fall in love, but if she for not fall in love with that kind of destroyer,
no,
that kind of
see, my lady, no verse. We know if you blame Asaboro, you get. We know if you blame Asaboro because sometimes if God want use you do some work, he go say you go some places. So they say you yourself, you know won't go. But God will take you to that place. If to say Asaboro no meet this Infinity Saga, now we they talk. Asaboro for ten now say Monica the time men for bondage. Monica the whole men and women make
that might not be evidence say or mother for area. Hey, you go social media now where you work. The truth is, Monica has bad no ya destroy. Whenever we are me, definitely she gonna fight you now.
Monica must release Infinity Saga daughter for Asaboro.
What did Asaboro for evil do for us? If not be say she go, they fall in love. Now she for evil body Monica the Infinity Saga or now she for expose all of the airports, destroy them. Instead now she they protect her. They say she fall in love. They call her husband. Wait, not pay bride price. You know, now she for the fuck up.
No, she not they call her the husband again. She not they call the husband. She not they call her husband again. She not they call her.
But airports expose them. Or I hear when she talk say one way that is here calling here.
They not go feed Asaboro anything. Why Monica needs something.
That's just with the thing.
Monica, me I feel black ticket for Italy. I'll go slap Monica for UK. I'll come back and sit down. If you look by soon.
Not the UK. Now everybody. She just not. Maybe she just.
No, people they beg Asaboro. Una no understand. A lot of people involved in this. A lot of people. Now we don't know be this. Our dog Cubanas there.
She they want maintain relationship.
Yes.
She want. It's like she want to eat her cake and have it back. You know they work like that. If you want fight, you go launch your missiles. Not be saying you go they want protect one person where they the enemy camp, and the person said not send you like that. Is it a fight for your mama? And you say you will protect her.
No, be Asaboro fault. You need to say you don't understand. Say that Infinity Saga. So Monica hold their bekus, their trouser.
For Monica, make she help us expose both the Infinity Saga and all of them. Make she expose them. Make she.
You say make she help us. Now you say make she help us. What about our own emotions? If she help us,
she's not supposed to attach emotion for that kind of dangerous man. That man will be say another woman they control. Now you want to go marry her husband.
My sister, now person they marry thief. My sister, wait, make we not judge on that way. Now person they marry thief. Now person they marry kidnapper. If you marry her, you change her to a good person. Yes. Oh, be a man also boko man. Also boko dia. Infinity Saga or Robe Monica or Nawaria Gweze. But this time around, now God don't bring that to Asaboro. It's better he reach Asaboro hand. Good. And me.
But the guy not ready to go to Asaboro. That is the problem. So she said, the guy no one like
my lady,
he's not interested in
how do you know? How do you know? Say the guy no go to Asaboro. How you tell? The one where Monica they talk for Facebook said the man no want go back to Asaboro.
But okay, which of the Infinity Saga can they write update? They say no, you know Asaboro before. If you get this thing, make it proof and make it poster.
Let's all those ones now outside things they stop for inside house. This all matter where all of us they talk to. Now inside house before they happen. Now inside house the main issue deal. This one where we just the year and you know Asaboro na person say they talk. You know they open up straight. Asaboro they curve matter where it took only intelligent people to detect waiting Asaboro they talk.
Matter right for time Asaboro they bend what they talk the up the down.
Nobody know was Asaboro. Mona wait, Mona calm down. I know say una. I know all this is one they do. So I hate Monica. Yes. I know so I like Asaboro. Yes. Una love Asaboro. Yes.
We wish Asaboro well, but me as a person, me I not go pray. Me end up with that kind of man where they cage of another woman where they destroy people.
He go come out for that case. Now he now go choose where he go belong. That the man now go choose. That he come out now.
We need to help her out of this. That's what all technology you can marry now. Now you console. Now when you wear depression in it because what the other one marry at all.
Now lady, if I want to detect something, if I put you on call, get something. When I go ask you, you get some code of UK there where you go give me that man will bring a come about. I don't want say make we overreact. You get. Make we first look whether that answer that infinity go change.
The profess love to somebody.
The man will come.
He know if he join your fight. She not just fight at all. She not say she finish the fight. Because these people are very young people.
No, the fight never starts. The fight never even starts. Monica is a very cunning somebody.
The mama why they follow. He there another woman cage. They help and they destroy. They destroy there. Yes, I want fight the person. The man not they support me. I came here camp. You tell me, hey, you make it. You belekwa. Not to do na belekwa.
No.
I want to hear print and present. No, can you put your boy also ne? We have some kind of high post. Oh, I cannot go.
No, but
we red lights. We will be also. I go back. But I have barely even with the show glass. If I can't do anything, I cover.
My lady.
It's so painful saying she just go for the wrong guy. That's just it.
No, not be wrong guy. Mona not they see her that way. Me they see and say now God use Asaboro to go expose Monica and the Infinity Saga. You understand? So now Asaboro they try to give that Infinity Saga space whether it go change or manage change or Mirinaja or no be person go tell her he with that hospital self wait for the work for UK. A report he can't delay you when I'm aware. No be Asaboro go do one. Me they tell you now say no be Asaboro go do one. Man presenter how Asaboro go. No be she go do one. With the one where we don't get. And you see me. With the one where we don't get, we don't belly we not just one day fast forward. You notice where we get. You know where we don't see what carry.
Because get take action and before you can decide we are doing because he and I my own diet.
Yeah, remember Asaboro. Nothing where they do Asaboro. Now they beg Asaboro. If you see the one Monica they do is 2 days. Monica they used to beg Asaboro. But me no be like say she beg Neri Black which day for year now she got the beg Asaboro. Now make Monica tell they say anybody working not bring anything Asaboro they do to me. I know I see video where Asaboro they do. I don't care.
Oh, no making continue on the ground working or no making
yes. And Asaboro also need to prepare. I tell Asaboro for video when I do. Is it no yesterday? I said make Asaboro go prepare. Monica is coming. Because if all these allegations are real, Monica not go take her like that.
When they fight her, they go to do underground work and they'll take carry parents. Okay, no, so no one money everywhere, they break everywhere, bust.
Yeah. My sister, that one where they go do so. Even that one where they go do so, till today they suffer put. All of the way Ghana go do that thing, they suffer put. Till tomorrow, even they beg, they need that beg, safe, papa. You know, easy now. Person where arrest person later come they beg, they even can't detain herself. You understand level the past level, but if not only the swear where our year swear for them, you can see that a Bema they go Monica or a group or since that time why then but what I get tomorrow. You understand? So make we not to blame Asaboro because me.
I don't blame her. They sorry for her. I know they blame her. They sorry for her. Maybe say they not go do something. Since she still get upper hand now.
Yeah,
she strength them. Everybody join her. Zion, but now as she they protect the so-called man now. Me now not go join them. Do underground work. Go strike her. Maybe they sorry for her for because they don't
the man not go fit do anything because no, the man not go fit do anything because even if she not expose anything to us for media, but family are involved. Friends, people where they close to her are involved. You'll be like as me day so now. Let's assume say as Abi Asaboro and Kurita is around me and those things. You think say if I meet this kind of thing, I never take Kurita everything, give her all the evidence, everything I need to give her case of case. People don't involve, but they just they wait for the right time to strike. You understand? As Monica they plan, Asaboro said they cook her own. Now so just reason her like that.
Yeah, because if not that's me. Most of the Monica you get fans. I mean, Costa Geni. Asaboro tell your mommy. He and Lilia Kuya na tia yamoda account. Do you pretend the worst you're yami? He and you put it down.
All those ones, Ale Constantine, all those ones are workers of 10,000 naira per year. Any one do.
They be daughters of iniquities. I'm here in a
I want my name.
You secretly strike because you're soft.
No, they're not fit. If anything, they're not fit try. Monica knows now she with Infinity Saga involved now. She not fit do anything. They not fit do anything. Nothing. Now me they tell. If to say the babalawo where Monica they go say they even they see say the thing they work for. And Monica get don't work when only the fake life. Eh, don't work when only. Oh, my lady, we say God bless you. May we continue. Yeah, after the video. Yes, we say.
Okay.
So my amazing people, still on the issue. And they say and I say a lot of people they una want to make Asaboro release things about Infinity Saga. Una supposed to know the type of person where Asaboro be for this media for a very long time. You know if it all say you the look person, you don't know how it be. The pepper body where we get Asaboro no get her. The pepper body where another person get Asaboro no get. There's a way Asaboro control her things. But what make me see they tell her be say, make she stand her ground and make she hold her well because these people, Monica and her crankers are coming for her. She should know that and prepare very well. If not so, make she contact presenters when she knows it. Make she forget say presenter me one of now those days they say presenter me one of trust. This time when we don't do so, if Saga they presenter they call presenter. Yes. Presenter they call, they not go tell, but presenter they call presenter. Say Alpha, see the way they play. You understand? Tell people where you know say you like, you trust, you know say yes, they'll speak for you. Because I am as Monica with her fans when they announce you so, you too reach out to people where you know say yes, they get the platform, they get the audience. Let them also advocate for you. You be innocent, not be your fault. Man, trust you, you agree. When it comes to you, don't know say like Infinity Saga. When on the date, you don't even know say like Infinity Saga. You get to a point, you finally detect all those things. Say, see as it is. Okay, fine. The man don't still leave you put. You understand? He not leave you put. He tell you say, okay, before we do marriage, see. You need to come and join this group of people. And you say no, you don't fit join this group of people. Say those people need to release the man for you. You understand? So we all understand all this issue. So we don't fit to really blame Asaboro. But Asaboro, you have to match your guard. Okay, Monica is coming. That fake life where she they live, so where she they form, say she want come out. If she they do video now, she go they say me and social media settlement. They settle because of me. Monica, you are a useless woman. Let me tell you the truth. You are not ashamed of yourself. How many years you did? How many years you did? No do quick way social media and then you deja ya mo akugbu emu san gbu e ba Facebook nekwemu. How many years you did? You never even reach UK when you start to the lie say you buy house. Your video now see that the way they play say I just bought my second house. You'll be disgraced. You be disgraced. Thanks for joining Mama Gloria. A disgrace is not say where Monica. Nobody they don't raise with you. Now you come in those cyberspace you want everybody to be under you. Yes. For people who don't know what they go on. Now what cause quarrel between you and everybody around you, even people who are not near you. You wanted everybody to be under you. They fake like whoever go. A lot of them disagree. Said never. Not be start to fight them. No go where as I just be so now. Social media where be everybody they do their thing. I can't say as I just be now make people come they do under me. Is that not madness? That will not be crazy. Not be mumuness be that. Come out, you be the leader, you look us like who they get 30,000. Are you crazy? Shagodan, kukumba woman. You are mad. La one way boamu I want to go inside. Now because of this Asaboro matter, now Monica saying want quit social media. She want to do this matter now. Use and play ball now. At the end, she know won't go inside again. Yes, because he get Asaboro take all this matter now. If this matter not way now, Monica will not go inside again. She not go inside again. She'll go the media again. Because now this matter be one pursue her. So if she succeed to defeat Asaboro, she not go any sense. Una go see here she go to say she was doing it for her enemy. I don't know be her enemy. You useless woman. You not person where person will say you get enemy or person want to do enemy. A poverty-stricken woman will not be paid to children. Go see your house that day. Now Sanj they fall for soup. Now see you make one look the opposite. Is this how this place look? He say yes, I've got somebody to come and innovate. I just look and I say see this one. How many times now you make open your house come for you? That one not call ambassador for you and go give other people for UK ambassador of port. I am where. Better not bolo. They give you again. People buy pot again. You not share pot again. Umay wa vat pot. We are boozing. Not the way they carry the way they walk. Your own best friend. That's what you call your best friend. She they do cream. They say you go bring to Bankolo come out that day. You say B&B and any cream. My take on this matter is that Ekobete is leaving because of using swing of Priscilla matter. Okay, who be Priscilla? Where sue her? Who be Priscilla? Where sue Monica? Monica get court case. Many updates. I know they wash her. Monica is the list of the people I will go and watch because she's fake, she's useless, she's kata shaize. Monica, I go mama, where see your eye like thief. You go create group where you tell the thief me Ebola they put tell the blackmail me. Woman Didi where we get on for those cyberspace. Monica the woman Didi. Now your guys go be that now. Monica the woman Didi. Eke over how they look at which responsible women they do this one. You go they tell woman come back and that thing she go they use and blackmail women. Yes, you will be woman. We go follow Monica. They care over. I'm sorry for you. If you go to say, if you not join that the inner campus, she'll go expose you say they use a care over and you get husband, you be a doctor's woman. Now so she tell the pack on put for her. Like this always say, presenter they say care over, you go follow presenter buy care over. When your husband family you go say you get care over for us. Women wey dey follow yan like Nigeria, awala yamegbere, awala yamegbere, awala yamegbere, awala yamegbere. Eh? Yeah, that's true because of court order. Okay, that lady sue her. Say no later friend wey she dey UK. Jonosage S. Only time waiting and see bolu. I like that step where that woman take. About need to add Jara to it. Hey, I like that step where that woman take. So that woman sue Monica. Now she say she want come out. Monica, see your life. Ragbowe, Monica. Your fans, you never tell the truth now. Say, Genocide, the ex-girlfriend sue you. And you tell me you don't want. You know how much you want to pay for that girl for damages. You know how much you go pay for that girl for damages. Oh, what will you do? Do what you do. So you won't lie. Say one go do now. People might tell us say they go prison. Tell us say they go prison because you know say the money pay. No one that they eat they reduce. Oh, you go around baby boy. Why did you want? Who you them saying your mates for their old age now they go school, they drive, they enjoy, they chop. Go see me yesterday now. Nyama chicken. Full how many chicken now? Bele. Not even the one where they don't put for ice. Bele and life. Use that. Fry nyam joiner. Do some stay chop. Even my salad can check up. I know they live fake life. I don't fake my life for anybody. God no, see what you fake life going to. Who can like or people where they rent out from the compact their things. Useless woman. The leader that lead. That house now, Monica is going to lose that house. Mark this word. Monica is going to lose that house because why? She not going to pay the mortgage again. So about you were saying that Facebook will pay you. Facebook not pay any of sanity again. So my people, not to vex for Asaboro. Asaboro is innocent. 100%. Okay? God is using her to expose Monica. Not be her fault. Say she go do something with the wrong guy. She also they go Nigeria to renew her juju. Juju no hand. They be a time. Fulani es no hand guy in case in Nigeria. Before you go reach that Benin or anywhere Yoruba land where they go, especially Yoruba language all the hot so for Fulani esme. Although ni an engineering guy, avec bo ni ya separately you Una they get me. So please, my people, nobody should vex for Asaboro. Sometimes shit do happen. You understand? Shit do happen. And if it happen, we know you need to your crucify her. Say, you too do, you get. And they see now some people they talk say, if some people too, that is why I not say good. Make woman too they keep herself. Sometimes if you too keep yourself, you go jam the wrong person. No, don't say that. These days, this word don't call it now. It is very good to keep yourself. Guys are not smiling. Now man sleep with woman that day. We collect the woman. He collect her 80,000 gold. The other one collect money. You get. So a lot is going on. Everybody need to be safe out there. Everybody need to be careful out there. If you get my way, love you when you know rich house, even if it's not rich, even if you feel manage it, even if you feel get with her, just cope. You as a woman find your own money. Find your own money. No, they follow man because of money or name or anything. I see they find out say a lot of women. He say they don't swear for Ivie. He do swear for that one. No be smart you. Things they happen. I remember with VA. I don't find that say a lot of women that they go for men because of admin of page. I want to make it help me do my page. I'm not talking about this Asaboro, but this Infinity Saga, the solo one way they inside the video there be I will go and check it. The solo way they inside that one admin what they do. All these small guests will be blogger or in the name of come and be my admin. If one kick away they Italy. I say yes, you also get the one where they mash kick down because of admin. For you to why not if you trust woman like una to be your admin or give your woman like you say control my page, help me do this thing. No go trust me now. They find me, they go. At the age now they open body for the May. Now proud mom take go open yash for Frank that time. All now they help me set my laptop on a Q&A. When you say Frank now, maybe that one say get the way today. Only you will not do a laptop, you're not the Kenya. At the end, the sequence saga that one. If you don't take carry Monica matter. You see? You know they get me some amazing people. So please, and please. If you be woman out there, you be blogger, you be presenter, look for a woman like you. Highest make their tissue. Oh, no go. Don't swear for Ivie. When say Ivie get meta bokla. Yo, a meta bokla. Anyway, it's wrong. I'll go watch and just now. Maybe I'll post the video. Yeah, I'm about being a papa. Please, one they stay away from all this. Oh, like, especially the ones where the year you say they know so they don't know anything say for page. That Infinity Saga, not many people page don't thief. Where go they say? If they thief page, they say. Yes. If they no, I'm not saying that this daughter, that solo, that one the thief page, they say. Even that one with Monica, they even get issue safe. Because that one thief Monica 2 page. That one with Monica not even day again. Say that solo Netherlands with Monica, they not even day in good sense again. That one I collect Monica 2 page. Collect this Mugu boy with the France page that time. That one they collect their page. If you know, if more you don't give her money, go disarm your page. Now they get me. Look for woman. Look for person where you trust. Look for married man where you know say get decent, responsible person. Even if you need assistance, the other person is okay. Teach me this thing. Now be waiting help me that time. Queen, I better go bring the video. Play am here for us. Video now why we are about with you. Oh, mama, I go find her. So people will not vex Asaboro, okay? Will not vex Asaboro. People do mistake. People make mistake. And to me, the way they see this Asaboro issue, believe it or leave it, God want to use her to expose the atrocity Monica and Infinity Saga is doing. Yes, God won't use her to expose Infinity Saga and Monica. And she also need to pay the price. Yes, for God to give her that opportunity to witness that thing, she need to pay the price. And what is the price that she's paying? Now be this thing so. You understand? Now be all this talk. So people they talk. Say, oh, na Timu, I be not be Timu, I be na this, I be, you know. Now so it be. I be not be Timu. Now they get, those are the price she need to pay. See if you. If people many here, Juju don't enter the matter on ground. Who goes to this Juju? Is hello notaris? Nari notaris. No, you did not buy your ass cash.
We are not saying ourselves face to face now.
If you want away, no. Did you get level? If you hope, Nanami, he said, I beg go make una keep this video. He gets where I hope say I try to see this video. I be on my lady Asaboro. Ebo, me sit down where because maybe relax. Obo zebo for. I don't die you. Wait. Wait your boss say you get metal discolored. I bet. Me can go back. Here what do you say? Becky Bones, you say no level for Juju. Juju get level. Hey. Juju get level. Before this man detect, now say if you get mental discolored, if you na yegbema, he is a little boy if you. Why you when Diana if you? Why you where dia if you mental discolored? Why you where dia old man now you blast you like this? Where are many honorable people there? See Morocco and see my boro by. But where are you so ta for matter we no concern you? Mental discolored patient. Ubega gmowe. Maata mu we do sabas ma we to ngene. Why we mama like we. Una sabate yetiko. Ye kukumba. Mama tie bonu. He said the ohe swear for her. Really? Ya be say baba. Iwe da kwa rie kere. Monica. U me do yo twin la dia we. But they say Facebook no dia lele gbo e no kupa na. Runga we no nyu wa hu. Ne kere. We no we lomi go bono pa jo ko twen lomi. Presenter the turn on. What is our business in the matter? Tell you. That's all the video. Don't swear. I love for whiskey. I better not change my topic. Monica. Yes. Umay do your twin le ben wa back by mother. Or maybe not go any Yahoo. Why? Let me play it again, my people. Or what we mental discolored. Or Bonnie. Obes galicious in on a vessel in social media. More mama book by social media one. On a vessel. To know how Ivie they useless and shameless. Otie Monica na hiyo. Monica mighty trainer rotiona for a very long time. Abore ni gba viege Ivie is a meta scarlet. Abi what ever scarlet. For where may we senior your papa there and a bus driver of your bossy. For where may they. You say waiting those ones they do. Say not correct. Now you, when you use one hand, hold my borrow light. Dirty talk life they talk. Now waiting you they talk. Now incorrect. Ragbowa. Monica. Wa rakba yo tun lelebe. Mau. Agbowe ni gba wa nege tu wari nene. Emi no makan my bogbe banana. Damio. Emi no makan. Eru we wa beje. Emi no makan we. Oh, have you work by Facebook now? Because it's genocide. Yes, ma'am. Really? Now today, the video never be 1 hour. No. You want to give you? My people, una not the year waiting at the year so. If you got more bogbewa, awanu for that matter. If you do you know what is awanu? Hey. Oh, yo, Hana. Oh, here. Hey, for me, ne opide. Oh, here. Well, get when say. If you when bonati awanu. Do you know what is called awanu? No, where get those about space now? Where me anybody any presenter, even no my person, you know, I beg your mama, is ya wanu. Where bononi, ya nera. We wana ni ma nwa wana, ave money nwa we tete taye imoteko. E money nwa we shagam. Ore, e ko ni mobo, Ibadan ni moye, abia de corner. Wa mama boy, you know, there is even a tradition, many of them know the root of una origin. Then ekwen waya di ya boy, una origin, una root of origin, wa mai ropa. If ye, do you know what is awanu? Na mu gbo Igo na ya zoe, oye la. We. When I want get spirit ma boro be one bottle of eneki wa so awe fie nevun e mata no makan we. Na ta manota se, ukbe no riotare, e ri otun do e social media na mi go yun kun iri na. Ga botun ori don kaka, o menya o ya le bisi de. E make up me no make up no ya we sanka. You want my make up ropa. Who can who go? According to the way I understand this issue don't they grant since or TikTok. Na TikTok matter. Now that lady where they say her, where they call her page, people accuse her of adultery. Yeah, she can't go bring that juju paper for those people way involved. So I believe saying that today they swear based on some live TikTok people way involved for the matter. They dare to go follow the person swear based on who involved. Some of them, no, they say Queen why? No, the investor they in charge of the case. Now they in charge of the case. You understand? But I don't know how she can't take concern if you. So I don't believe say Monica now. You don't know now say if investor with if you the remedy they go for TikTok. Monica Ragbowe. If you don't still leave you. Monica, I say if you the chill with investor for Tito as a bad Tito. Monica, what you go get now for your life? The man who were giving now. You fear not go let you call your friend again, never. Because you say investor now your enemy. A friend to your enemy is your enemy. Monica, why you going dear? You see your life. According to somebody in a comment why they say for you, he said if you cannot enter Germany again because she was reported by an Asian woman. Okay, I know they TikTok. Yes, now TikTok the matter for my husband, mama. Una they get me. These people are a bunch of nuisance. And Monica, what you these two people have constituted nuisance on a daily basis, on a door cyberspace, in interest, no could detect, Scarlet mad woman. The name ya there, big bay. 30 minutes ago. Where do you settle with France? Okay, she and France don't settle. Yes, and for you to know how useless Ivie is, Ivie just jump into this issue. This matter don't date talk since. This is where they accuse the men now say they not do well. Now so the man and woman supposed to swear. They don't say they swear this swear they can't see so. This matter don't they go almost a week now for TikTok. They don't they swear and they can't see. This matter don't they grant the way they call the talk now. Just jump enter matter. May therefore say vie who where who Meta the scarlet uzua. They know who I just when Monica have zua. Una office una sharp una wise. Una don't know anything. Una don't know anything. Ça c'est des chats on est TikTok. Meta the scarlet. Ivie was fighting for the small Igbo boy. You see? Thanks for joining, my lady. You know what? Thanks for joining. Wanna listen?
So we are not saying ourselves face to face now.
This guy comes up and here. Oh, yeah, you know Una with your bottle. He said, "Na the my see. My mom they come say, "Na the scarlet they make me laugh." We get it. I recommend. Hello, Mama G. Yeah, cause I'm a butter. But did you okay? I go wa do. I like it. You have this scarlet if you dey. Ubere. I want no only abi. Oh no, Nabi. Oh no, I know. Hi. Mamma mia. Osoe. Agiti vieva, agiti eva. Maya ave koko nyawe na ya imiya. Bele. Emi. Pigimi. Kai. Mamma mia. Agiti vieva na. Kai my lady me ati we gbe. Ni wa ma drop a video na ya ti we gbe. My people, wagia feko. E la fina o kana we bono le bunye to. Emi ga wi, emi ya rule. My people, o kana we bono le bunye to. Emi ga wi, emi ya rule. Ivie e bono ya na ya mu buena. The video still they sweet me play they go. Is a boy. Me wa malaki Ivie, wa malaki Monica because only nyama. But I can't koko ya imiana because e bono ni ajona my people. Oh, e buo, they know they tell person. Wo wan wo tu, they know they tell person wo ti e bi ani. Asenyo e ami eseni. E boba no ami eseni. Isa lo boa. No listen.
o bia ta me here we no ye kokore aka just do ajo here fire do la me pe wa gele kana no ba o ga gele ta ma we ye ka do la me no wo o ga do la me we o ko na o bia na elo ye ye ene wa gele we o na do ye ni o na do na o gi bia ka ya ta ma ta bia ta no je e ba wa gele ya i bia ka mo me mo na we no woni o i wa ta mo we bia ya do la me na ye na ya de
ivie no ho hope obi omo bugbe owi bieka ori kame oboni le no ya we ni ivie ati we ba e mata na ori ra no ori we mata na kan we ivie mama Chelsea asati you ivie kia too rude in talking but wetin she be talk na true no my lady no be true this matter don already dey grand people don already dey swear they don already dey swear this way they come for TikTok for a very long time this way not be today start oh now one woman wey they call air page now he just they shake the whole TikTok you know say some people dey where they know they talk if they want to do something me I dey like all those kind action women I also go dey follow her by her and come no say the woman self I dey like people wey be say let your action speak louder than your voice now one woman just dey follow almost everybody for that TikTok so Donoya Mure my people don't play I am saying it say good evening people thanks for joining now Ivie with the people they don't go swear for Ivie again for inside this Monica crisis now awa we am bog with Ivie ni Ivie when am bog with Ivie the Facebook na you am gbe Monica when am gbe Ivie am gbe Monica they be na kun family de gbe ni na ke de na kai ke boni am gbe yan boni law ya ge no bo mu gbe Monica no ro ya ge no bo our social media na TikTok o ma me bo no mu gbe Monica e se me ti ya to lele ya na am bog gbe Monica Ivie na ya mo awa no ogbe Ivie Ebony, go and ask. I don't even need to talk. I mean, they're not paying me for advert. But go and ask. Adian Bibi.
So we are not saying ourselves face to face now.
Please, guys, more I need tons of the video. More I need the video. Long and like I You see? The man say, "Umami when we guananya, imagine your word oje." Because if to say very girls man, she go no say they respect man. On any ya no see no man am word of no go. Who they? He say who they be the swear for? Now one boy, get what they call the boy for TikTok. Now those TikTok people, now no say me too, I know they follow them, but sometimes I just go, I say they update, I'll look at small. I'll come out here. Now they get. The man say even with the way they talk, it shows that she not get husband. The man with disgrace, very big disgrace. Imagine we have 300 or how many video where be almost 6,000 people they watch. It can't be saying that they swear for. Is that not a shame? Buga, Mama Chelsea, I don't know say they follow up with the issue. We will follow up with the matter. Now Buga, yes. Now Buga do that accusation, say air page, they sleep with people, they go. Video where more than 6,000 people, everybody so quiet, made they do their things. If your mouth long past your skin. You think they use my borrow talk to us for those cyber space. You want to go use my borrow talk to intelligent people where we say that they see physical and spiritual. You think if you talk to, they see your life now. They leave Buga where they want to swear for, they start to swear for you. But now this character we see for your body, for this, those cyber space, they say, a nuisance, no talking about those cyber space now is becoming so alarming. No care, when I'm do boy. When I'm like, I represent us, I'm under Yankee, I'm like, well, look at you. Will I involve myself in this kind of mess? The answer is no. The answer is no. Will other responsible ladies commit this kind of offense? The answer is no. Asaboro, when you go there, insult Asaboro. Have you ever seen anybody swear for Asaboro on this Edo cyber space? The answer is no. If you are you not ashamed of yourself, then I'm going to Monica. Almost 3 weeks now, your sister sit cry that they made a cause in your Juju, where 17 local government swear for her. She cry, near those in your book. You get bolomi with me about Gomavi Manye. If you ever now have a via bonya when I like bonya buena. Hope of your mobile. That boy, who go mama, if you're 48 years old, now you did now. 2022, now you say you did 46. During the time of Obazelu and the rest, you were 46 years old. From 2022 now to now, let me just put it, say, 48. 48 years old. If 2025 now you'll be 49 years old. If ye, now so you want to live your life. Is this now this what you want to live for your children? You don't know say some juju they will be say if your hair is strong, you're going to worry your children. If ye, which type of Marlboro you the smoke where you not the reason your life, reason your children life. If you know what hope of your mom, you go see come and call they talk about Asaboro. Asaboro no better pass you. You where you go Obazeluas, Abi, you go to for Obazelu wife not gam here. Now you consider talk to Asaboro. See Asaboro go friend Infinity Saga. Obazelu that time, no be una group you see there. No be inside group you carry Obazelu married man for that matter. When you with your wife, you should beat you come out for there if you you go my house, you will be baby, they go your girl house, you know I reach back. Instead you reach there, you go to get the man and gun. Tell the woman and gun, the man wife and gun. You open the man wardrobe, they carry wife and gun here for body. If you're robber, 48 years old. Uno tell the boy vient from a rock ball, they don't buy my borrow. Mental scarlet human being. Then what you're to Monica or I went out go at the or Via no Ruagbe, represent a Variana, Ariare, you can quote me anywhere. E bono, Ashagono, o Reno, e Sigamasino, e Moroccono, e Bisinaleno. E no Ruagne, e representa Soveni. But you are a ladia. Why when you live a normal life in why say, what be say, why don't bring a lawa, what go say, or to no life, say Morocco, no better the Kulikuli, or Ladian. Away a backbone. Ogono se Morocco, o payan, e no coso rien, e deme de no ya white. Ekle, bamigo de Morocco, e live sin avige, ya Monica, why se Morocco wa mi vie de city. Wa I sine, wa de la video, wa do I tell me na uwa mase, mi wa you we uwa ya kwenche, e married me, ya we kona udo. If you were not the la wagon, or to na vie kero bala diando, here la video, we must no saga out we an, wana ku sanka me ko no rodo, u vie kero babo, get the bed down. E the bed down, uno Monica ya din we na vie. Wa ivana wa ho wa kugbe ayi mi no gbegbu amugwa wa iva hin no go ma dia no ria se da me boni amugbo e boni han wa amugbo wa hin da me yo
Bala wa to pe yi. Udo ka na kikita. Epa eni se awon o ka ku e.
If we invest or shock. You know yeah, invest or shock. Invest or ije e pa wa me mo gbogbo vie. E pa you see people where you go they talk for even the guy where they fight for so he did there you no talk. Investor ni kwa ro investor you no bo we no bo na emu ebo bivie. Wa beg life yana ge iye Kenya wo ge e oda o. My lady say if you senior Monica. Na be say Monica if you they go 40 something because Monica we 50 53 only celebrate when they be 56. That means if you the 58 ni we ga gbiyan. If you wala don wa the crop top. Show you wear crop top abele o de grand. You can use one black pant tie the belle go. Dice. Iyana de kwele na kere baba di viebo ni na hina you selu. He hate it to wali selu because Uselu is a well known responsible area. Everybody knows Uselu babes they care the way they do their things. E go da ya this way Uselu gets na God you tell they know them. They wana kere decide no wakere wo. Monica what you want? Every married women they wear better marriage ring. He reach Monica ton. He go buy those aboki ring where they put for inside eoki. If you this one, you see, una know this aboki ring where Monica wear now. All those wire ring, this one not be reading now. Wire ring, all those wire where they screw round. Aboki where people they buy at that time. If they buy and go do juju, they'll put on for inside eoki belly. No, it's the eoki na camel belly. You dash her to her 50 years. Maybe she carry they go because she want to tell me say she never reach. Where she be like 100 years. What me be fear you? If you she be like 100 years old woman. Eh? Those are aboki ring where they put inside camel belly. After those do juju, they'll come the wear. Now Monica the wear for that video. Say Vienna mumu, big mumu. Show me your leader, I will tell you are. Look, Monica, look people where she live. They are all useless. They are all useless and adulterous women. If they go Nigeria, why are people committing adultery? The ones who are married black, bola not they finish on their pekus. The ones who are married black, if they go Nigeria, what are you people doing with this type of people? Do you think it will not leak? It will leak. Nothing you will do for this planet Earth where it not go leak. It must leak. Why women with no dignity, no self-respect, no discipline? They even say they be dirty local agbero. You get one lady when I know she dey UK. So now see this lady, she dey baba hair, she dey tint her hair, silver color. If this woman tear Tibala for your presenting, you know say woman dey pass woman. Now those kind of women dey, oh no, it's the pistol in your pocket. Now those kind of women they like. Oh no, what dress or what vie papas O wa vie papa si voni san vie papa si vie vi ya fake yo ba do ringi. Odori say moto no man do afie the mema we live video. You are stupid. You are stupid. What kind of a dirty local woman are you? Where you for do your things here, by the way? That lady, if you see her, I been my godmother for Bini. I been my godmother for Bini. Who don't know that one? She the baba if you see her, you know say yes, you see person. Ah, Ikebe no be here. She they come down for jeep like this, you know say yes. Now woman they come down. She business woman, get stuff follow everywhere. I mean in a very local, dirty, useless set of women. You have papa si onisa. You have the total not say my brother no. Or let's share the video. After brother or gun enemy. On your banya wine. No irritation, no self-discipline. Wa mi republic iya ya le ye kaga. Wa invite Monica Pacho ya le ye kaga. Ye kwere. If you know ya le, he go park over dance that day. Then of you go say he had before park over vuko ani. Because all you party no ya say cigar buy. If you dress from hotel to party, you reach party you know ya say cigar buy. Cigar na is one we ale le kan weku. Me na ku ma baba salobo. Kai. Bonamiami. These are the people that will come and talk down on your healthy life. You will be saying you know when to take your shower. You know when to eat. Even this drink, when they drink, it gets some people, they know when they take alcohol. Even if now once in a week or twice, they know how many gauge, they know how many times they'll eat a day, they know where to go, and they know how to organize themselves. Any number they organize, very local, dirty set of share women. I will like Kukumba you. I will go back, I will not let Monica say, Nana, Ia go de Kiroba. Ia go de Kiroba. And Monica when you go. Monica when you get here. Or when you are that's why she always tell women make the Bible because I don't trust women or they can or bungwe. Me, I don't get any adult women where they follow me. Talk less of say what the advice say, hey, if you're where you are, do they care about now because of say Monica no say I don't trust women full account. Then she say care about for them because she they say anytime they go Nigeria, I want they go the bath come for body. I want your baby, I want your baby, I want your baby. Choose less women. Thanks for joining my lady on TV video. Thanks for joining. You see? Olezo Mariabe. Now this one, now I been they call Olezo Mariabe alama igbose. This one where you are put on video so nabi Olezo Mariabe alama igbose. Ebona I mean saying if you not be able not to say now like I even the way I say I don't know if I talk where I go I say where I say that Ayala self now Yoruba people juju. But this one now our own juju. Now we get this one and this one. If not be say social media, I for tell you person when I get where come for that village. That wolf so. I for tell you, they know they offend person, they know they take person to join their Airbnb, they fear and pass government. Oh people that they fear and pass government because if they play the show. This one where you happen, I'm gonna see what go happen to you. You'll play for an eye for this media and I'll say, Queen, you did all this to daddy. You wanna go see her? This one will be Ayala way they do, this one way they do. No. This juju na very peaceful juju we be say. On a say Okija. This one pass Okija. Why people know they bring her come out online? Why? Why they know they bring her online? Hello? I see the live video, they come around up. I never send this thing. For send this alert just now. For you to do this thing before I enter live video. I send this money for this person. If not, they will come. So now, amazing people. Una de hear me. This juju so he pass Okija. He pass. Near Yamuk Bivier. Thanks for joining Sylvia go. Say she still swear for. When she swear for when? And they come back with listen. Everybody call the comment. The thing is strong today, Sha. Una dey see? So she said, because she got the swear for, they said of her to do for go beg. You know the yard here, but what do you expect from a unit trait who don't know anything? Uncivilized, a mad leg. Mental discalate patient. Bege, Olezo Mariabe, alama igbose. Una go there for settlement. Where you say when are you web your way? Maybe now you got they do a scapegoat for that buga where they carry go there. Because your heart no clean. That do you now we have no clean, I buy. That is why your mouth carry you go where your leg not supposed to reach. If you know who's someone who quit for you. Now her page. Then one guy where they call her page for TikTok. Yeah, now someone one guy where they call buga. They no get don't go. Because No be everything. You feel escort a horse reach river, you know if you force and drink water. If you hear la person where guesses, Frank the advisor, and no get the advisor. She no go learn from there. Now God grace, nice make no get self they talk to Ivie. Waiting Ivie with a domugu no war. Waiting they be don't they plan a part and no get, waiting they be say they want to and no get. If not be God, will shame them. That is why if your hand clean, people will plan evil against you, my people, they will be disappointed and they will come shop their vomit. They will come back and lick their vomit as far as your hand is clean. Not be that Ivie where they find me one for 5 investor that day be this. They talk, they shout, they mention name, they cause crap up and down for investor. Not be she be this now investor, they beg for near your bewa. No be that Ivie be this. But maybe say investor did that hot seats now say investor they swear for. Ivie go they be say yo. These are evil people. You don't need around you. Yes, I know they tell people about who you go do friend or who you know will do friend. But any friend that is against your, where you need your life, where you need your success, where you need your happiness, where you need where they support you, they give you joy. That friend, choose Koboko, Holy Ghost Koboko, use and chase them out of your life. Not give them a second chance. Because if you get opportunity, it will gun you down. Believe me. Yes, I read about them. I they read well. Not even I know they tell they read. ChatGPT I read. Google they use and read. Book Papa. I read a lot. Sometimes I ask Google question. If person you call person your friend, it disappoints you. This and this. How many times are you supposed to give people chance in your life? Ask Google. Google will tell you. If they don't answer, they tell run from there or 4 times. Run for them. If not, they will never change. Narcissist, everything I read about it on Google. That's why I know they give chance. I feel if you say, well, there, I will they be friends of it. Don't dare to come my inbox or my phone and think say we'll still play. Never. I know they do one. You know me say I too perfect, I too good. No. I know if you give you opportunity to come do me something where people can sorry, sorry, never. I can't give you that space, sorry. Because the kind of mind where you get, no, I don't get her. Yes, I don't get her. If you see person where they do wish thing, no pity and media around you, no manager media around you, send them off. It's not your type of person. If not, it will put you for problem. Look for your type. People will not get informed, will not the jealous success, will not care about what you get and everything. You flow with those people. You understand? Now, if that's not the beg, make them not buy VA with Juju. You see, or boss VA get mental discalate. Monica, who are wow, or Tonya have more bug bena with Tito. You want Tonya more bug bena the Tito, see you now life. Useless children from useless family background. No, I person say queen. Why they insult Monica? Anybody will say why they insult Monica? Go have boy, boga songu. Because the time when Monica will analyze my video, they insult. I tell them, I say, nobody there with the hungry man, nobody that day the hungry woman. The time when they insult me, they talk rubbish. After Monica don't come 9 before 3 extra people, they go buy again. They carry that one go Juju place. They don't go buy that one finish. They come because they want to put the matter for me. It go still leak. They never bring me any evidence why I know about some people. I don't pause. Because I pause why? Because you get why I pause. It go still leak. I go when you bawa. All the road gonna play. Nonsensical people. See my life, I enjoy. Whether they say boss, I've been mini boss. Nobody say I to get. I'm not to get. I know the proud, but I don't beg. I'm okay with what I have. Not say by this time for night. I see the live video, they shout. If it's short for you, do one for your house, make we see. If it's short for you, do one for your house. At midnight, they shout, do video. For a bono come ring your door, knock your door, chat for you. You see? Now so we tell they know people where they okay. People where they alright. Not be person they live video. People with they knock door, lower your voice. You know, nobody fit tell me. Nobody can knock my door, ring my bed to say low my voice. I've even sharp pass. I start to play music like I like self. Nobody, but because I need to, not me say I need to respect myself because all this my flat now is body. I need to respect myself. You know, get to that extent of say, you know, nonsense. People they be like people they train for gutter, no manner of approach, no character, nothing. What this you? Emma, what? No, listen. No, listen. Ça ouais pas ma cause là. You see? On a des hier. Now they go there because of another person matter. Ivie ari mwe bogbewa. These are children of men yantinyaye. Any vieje, okay, by now, a mativie, sister Ivie, or auntie Ivie, or mama Ivie. But Ivie did not add any value to her name. People can only address you with the value you add to your name. Ivie, even 16 years or 15 years, even 2 years old baby will say Ivie, because why? She don't add any value to herself. Ivie, you pass everywhere, you no fear. You say you gonna talk about Asaboro. There is a big difference between you and Asaboro. Yes. There is a very big difference. Since how many years Asaboro dey online? This is the first time she's talking about loving a man. Ivie wene bingo. Ivie aka my mama. Okay, shifts my things. Destiny they blackmail me. Not by they do me this one. Walk back. Obazeru blow my feet. Walk back. You have the guts to come outside to talk about Asaboro. How dare you? How dare you? You think talking to Asaboro, we cover the shame and disgrace we don't land for your sister head. It goes still leak. Even if Asaboro exposed the whole thing now, she not expose her now, but one thing you must know is that nothing hides forever. It goes still leak. A shame and disgrace in Ivy. You understand me? Monica always say they hate me, they be my enemy, they don't like me, they jealous me. Whereas that is a strategy. Now she they claim say she hates people. Now she don't want to use that see people for those cyberspace. Now she won't take over. I don't know what he won't take over. This place we have Yoruba people, we have Igbo people, we have Ijo, we have Isoko, we have Isha, we have Benin, we have all tribes in Nigeria, all our own. They are all on social media. Everybody come out on a daily basis to do their things. Without having master or na maybe oga, na maybe leader, na maybe the lead, na maybe this, they other people, other platform or other tribe on this Facebook space. But when you come to Edo cyberspace, a useless non-entity as a Monica, a wayward ashawo ashiwelewele of a woman wants to come and take advantage and step on the toe of intellectuals. Women where go school, women where know how to respect men. Women will surrender to one bola. Women will know they commit adultery. Based on she's a professional ashawogo, aka big kukumba. She thinks she can just come and operate on intelligent people. Or maybe see the idea of one. Monica bring receipt of us. She go bring contract of hair cream come aside. Monica video where she do te saga EU wala. She they boast to that one say she's buying a second house now in the UK. That time she just entered UK, never reached 2 years. She be other innocent women where they that UK, where they don't even get one apartment, but where they never fit buy one apartment. She be all those ones now go they don't enter starter. They go even go the carry market to their people they say just to make money, not knowing that Monica is living fake life. I just say yes now. Now they get me. Not knowing that she's living fake life. How are you a mentor to people? You are a liar, deceiving people, making your followers to run etta scatter. Many of them in marriage don't scatter. Kudos to Queen Rita. Kudos to other platforms where be say your followers, they never divorce their husband. Yes, your followers, your supporters, none of them don't divorce their husband. Show me your friend and I will tell you who you are. I can list up to 10 followers of Monica that have divorced their husband immediately after they started following Monica. Yes, I can list 10. If not because of say me and those ones no get issue, I go they count them for you. It's up to 10 women, adult women of Tinkiba, women where don't suffer, stay with man for 20 years, 15 years. But immediately they come close to Monica, that marriage spoiled. That marriage was destroyed. Ask Monica, say, since